Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing duplicate usernames on the sign-in screen after you've updated Windows 10. So if there's another username that's very similar, maybe there's an extra letter or number after the username that was not there before, so there's multiple accounts now and you want to remove the duplicate one. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in run. Best result should come back a run. Go ahead and select that. And now in the open field, you want to type in control and then space user passwords 2. And it's a numerical 2, the number 2, don't spell out 2. Just do type number 2. So again, control user passwords 2, like you see on my screen, and then select OK. For the duplicate account or whatever, if there's some extra account in here that you're not aware of, you go ahead and select that and then remove. I'm going to go ahead and select yes. And then once you've removed that, if you hopefully restart your computer, it should have the problem resolved. Okay, so now that you've done that, restart your computer, see if that's resolved the problem. Now you may be wondering if you only have one user account on here, how would you go about resolving that? So if you only had one to begin with, well, first I actually have to restart the computer for that previous change I made to take effect, so we actually have to restart here. But once the computer is restarted, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving it if you're still having that issue. We only have one account perhaps on that list. Okay, there you go. So now we're going to go open up the start menu. Type in sign in. Best match should say sign in options. Go ahead and left click on that. On the sign in options page, select password. On the sign-in page, if you had a password currently being used, you can select the make your device passwordless option. Now, I would not recommend doing that obviously if you travel with your laptop or device, but if you're the only person using it and it's usually in your possession, try toggling that to the on position and see if that also resolves the problem. And you can try untoggling that once the problem's been resolved and then see, hopefully at that point, it should be booting you into your user account and not into another account. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.